Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello guys, now in this session we are going to continue your rename only. In previous lecture we have seen what renaming your column name. But now in this session we are going to rename your table name. Previously while creating the table you haven't given the relevant name to the table. But now because the database is having multiple tables, now you are getting very confused. Which table is for what? So now you want to give a relevant name to every table. Then how you can do this? Using your rename functionality of your alter table. Remember this, till now we have only seen all the functionality of your alter command only. Add, drop, modify, and then previously change, and now again rename. This is the functionality of your rename alter command only. Right? Now, previously while renaming you have done a keyword, you have used a keyword, that was your change. But now while renaming your table, you need to use the keyword as rename only. Previously it was change, but here it is rename. Make a note of it. Previously while changing the column name, you were using which keyword? Change. Means change old name, then new name. Then data type and constraint. This was the syntax. But here you will be using a keyword that is rename itself. Okay. Now the syntax of this rename is as alter table, then table name. This is the common syntax because everything that is add, modify, drop, rename, even the change, this all are whose functionality? Alter, right? So alter, this first is fixed. This first syntax is very fixed, right? Now in the second statement it will be rename. Now here we are using rename keyword. Remember this, okay? Rename to new table name. Now previously while alter table name, we have given the table name. Now in the second line only we are giving as rename to new table name. Okay, so right now we have information table. I want to rename it as employee data. So in the new table name I will give what? Employee data. Like this. Okay. Now how we can use this syntax practically, we will see through this code. Okay. Now I will fire the query. So basically this is your first, so I will just delete this and I will delete the comment as well as the second complete statement because I don't need this. Okay. Now the previous first line is one and the same. There is no change in that. Now rename keyword. Here I will write rename keyword. Rename. Then what? To. Okay, 2. And now here the new table name which I want to give it. So here employee data, then semicolon. Now I have given employee data. But previously when I was specifying the table name over here, you can see what is the difference between this. Here I have specified the table name using your database. Means employee DB is your database dot information is your table, right? Means database dot table. This is how I have specified the table. But now I want to rename the table also. Still I will have to specify it using your database only. Means this employee data is whose table, inside which database it is being specified inside my employee DB. So here also I have to specify that, right? So here I will give employee DB dot employee data, right? Now I will fire this query. See, now my query is proper, right? Now I will write what? Describe. Again I will check whether my query was, yes, my query was fired properly because I haven't got any error. But whether the changes has been made or not, then how we can see this? Reusing your describe keyword. Okay? So I will just comment this out. Now describe what employee employee db dot. Now here it is showing me already there is a information table. Okay, so just I will write this information table. Now see, in the previously I have renamed this information table into your employee underscore data. Now if I say employee db dot information, I call this, I will if I give the command as to describe this particular table. Now let's check whether it will find this table or not. It won't find it. Why? Because we have renamed it already. Okay, so let's check whether it find or not. See, here I have fired the query and you can see over here it is giving me an error, that is describe.information table information doesn't exist. You can see over here table employee.information doesn't exist because previously renamed to employee db is a point employee underscore data. Employee underscore data, this is the rename name, this is the new name of your information. That's the reason it is not finding any table of name information. Right? Now here what I will do, I will just delete this information and I will write employee data which I have renamed it basically. So let's check whether now this it finds this particular table or not. Okay, so I will just run this. Now see, my query was successfully executed and it is giving me as the result which I was looking for. But was this result over there while we were calling the information table? No, right? This is only when I have called employee data, the new name of your table which I have given. Right? So this is what your rename does. Now if here you can see here the information is not renamed, but now I have renamed this employee data because I know now you as a user, you as an admin or you as a database holder, you know that this information table has been renamed. Right? So this is how you can rename your table name. Okay, so this completes your complete alter command. Till now we have seen which functionality? Add, modify, then your drop, and now rename. And this rename has two keywords, that is your change and rename. Change is used to change, means rename the column name, whereas rename is used to rename your table name. Right? So this was all about your rename, and this completes the chapter of your alter command. Later on we will see some more commands like this. Okay, so hope you have understood the complete alter command. Right? So this was all about rename. So for now, thank you and goodbye.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.